I love him because fish die in the water because of thirsty. That is the beautiful message of Kabir. Remember being in the school of perfectly balanced life skill, guided, the spirit of water, and your life can be as beautiful as one friend.
After graduating from business schools in Lancaster, England,
Maybe that Bali is the most happy island in the world. Again, the most happy island in the world. There are many reasons behind. And one of the important reasons without the tip of Bali's prayer to Shanti is for thousands of years. Some of them who learn quantum physics understand the collective mind of the people for thousands of years will change the surrounding environment. Bali has put this Shanti as the proof of prayer for thousands of years. That is the most important reason why Climate in Paris concluded Bali as the most happy island in the world, the spiritual home.